Chingaza Natural Park is located in the eastern ranges of the Colombian Andes Mountains, northeast of Bogota. The park extends over the Cundinamarca municipalities La Calera, Fomi, Chingaza, and San Juanito. In Chingaza, there are over 60 lagoons of glacial origin that impress with their crystal clear waters. The largest and the most important lagoon culturally is Chingaza Lagoon. Chingaza provides 70% of its water for Bogota and it's naturally filtered, which means it only needs a minimal filtering for people consumption. Recent studies indicate that Chingaza in the Chibcha language of the Moisica could have been called Chingaza, which means God's Night Mountains. However, the area has historical importance with over 10,000 years of the Moisica and the pre-Moisica inhabitation in the region. Ponds, rocks, shelters, and the mountains, and especially the Siecha lakes, were sacred places of worship and respect, forming ceremonial centers. The magic of its mountains keeps secrets and thoughts inherited from the indigenous people who protected this territory. The animals found in Chingaza make the eastern ranges one of the most important geographic regions for wildlife in Colombia. Yet it's still a safe place for people who want to do adventures and go hikings and etc. As people hike, they should be aware and keep their eyes open for the wildlife that is around, especially if you get some nice sunshine, there will be tons of flying things. And the park also offers its visitors guidance and environmental interpretation services, restaurant services, and beside that accommodational in a hostel and camps, and an auditorium capacity for 50 people. Also, this may be a surprising fact for some people, but Chingaza is shaped like a butterfly and its wings extend into the eastern cordillera of the Andes. The park has been established since 1977, which means it ages to 43 years now. Chingaza is also a haven for native flora and fauna. The park covers areas up to 4,000 meters, so the animals and the plants that inhabit these zones are capable of withstanding extreme conditions such as temperatures as low as 4 degrees and constant rainfall. There are also 8 species of peat moss which can absorb up to 40 times their weight in water. There are also endemic species such as frail jones that grow on the paramo and even within forests. And as shown in the screen, this plant is called frail john and it's the best plant in paramo. It is a plant resembling a palm tree, but starts off small and then grows from 1 to 7 centimeters every year. You can see the valley is absolutely packed with these incredible plants, and walking amongst them can make you feel out of the earth. Other excellent Chingaza specialities include the near-endemic bronze-tailed thornbill, blue-throated, and as well as a motive and exciting species like the black-chested buzzard eagle and the scarlet-bellied. And beside the beautiful birds, the parasol landscape itself is a big part of the attraction of Chingaza. Chingaza is one of the largest parasols there, and the vast sponge-like environment acts as a huge reservoir for the country, making this threatened ecosystem indefensible for Colombia as a whole. In Chingaza, you can breathe fresh air. There are so many benefits that the region and Bogota have by having this natural treasure so close, such as being water source for Bogota.